Hi everyone, my name is Aditya. I am from CSSC VVIT, rule number 5D6. In this video, I am going to present a presentation on applications of laser. Laser means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser has many applications. Laser has many applications in the field of medical, communications, industry, military, and in chemistry, surveying and ranging, and in laser spectroscopy. Applications of laser in medical field. For treatment of cancerous tissues and skin tumors, laser is widely used. CO2 laser is commonly called non-material knife and is widely used in microsurgery and neurosurgery. Laser therapy is completely painless and more advisable for children. Laser is used in endoscopy to scan the inner parts of the stomach. Laser is used in medicine to improve precision work like surgery. Brain surgery is an example of precision surgery that calls for surgeon to reach intended area precisely. Laser therapy is completely painless. In ophthalmology, that is study of eye, in retina surgery, and in dermatology, to remove pigmentation spots without any damage to the surrounding tissue and any possible infection of the cut, a wide area of applications is also open to the so-called soft lasers, that is, low power lasers being used for biostimulation in dentistry, traumatology. So it has many applications. In the next small video clip, you are going to see how lasers are used in medical field.
OmniGuide has revolutionized CO2 laser surgery with its flexible delivery system. The BeamPath fiber enables handheld delivery of CO2 laser energy to the middle ear and surrounding anatomy. Often in revision surgery of the middle ear, scar tissue envelops the ossicular chain or prosthesis and obscures anatomical landmarks. The BeamPath fiber enables precise detethering of these delicate structures and exploration of the middle ear space using controlled, non-contact dissection. Residual granulation and scar tissue can then be removed layer by layer in a safe and time-efficient manner.
Here you can see how in medical field lasers are used. Laser next, applications of laser in communications. Using laser, it is possible to transmit thousands of television programs simultaneously to entire world. Using laser, it is possible to make communication between the moon and the earth. Laser is playing a vital role in fiber optical communication systems. Laser works as a light source in all fiber optics in use. Here you can see, and in the next small video clip, you are going to observe how in, and next we are going to discuss about, next we are going to discuss about applications of laser applications of laser in industry. High power laser used to weld or melt any material. Using laser, minute holes can be made in the crystals without any damage in crystal structure, which is highly impossible by mechanical drilling. Lasers are used in pointing and measuring. Within the pulp industry, the concentration lie is measured by observing how the laser beam refracts in it. Supermarket scanners typically use helium neon lasers to scan the universal barcodes to identify barcodes. And not only that, the laser printer has in a few years become the dominant mode of printing in offices. The laser is focused and scanned across a photoactive selenium coated drum where it produces a charge pattern which mirrors the material to be printed. This drum then holds the particles of the toner to transfer to paper, which is rolled over the drum in the presence of heat. Laser also works as a spirit level and can be used to indicate a flat surface by just sweeping the laser beam along the surface. This is, for instance, used when making walls at building sites. In the mining industry also, lasers are used to print and to point out the drilling direction. So it has many applications in industry field. In the next video clip, you can see how a small aspect of it.
Okey, hazırsan asıl push it. Başla. İlk başla.
Operationally, it works just like a laser pointer. There's a chamber inside with special materials that release photons.
If you're looking at a boat coming in over the water, you can target exactly the engine and take out exactly the engine and not necessarily damage anything else. So, and that type of precision weapon work is something that you don't really get with conventional weapons because there tends to be more collateral damage.
It's useful against a variety of threats, surface or air. It's not a niche weapon system like some other weapons that we have, throughout the military, where it's only good against air contacts or it's only good against surface targets.
And next, applications of laser in chemistry. Lasers are used to produce certain chemical reactions. Using lasers, some chemical reactions can be accelerated. Lasers are used to investigate the structure of molecules. Using laser, new chemical compounds can be created by breaking bonds between atoms or molecules. In surveying and ranging, helium neon and semiconductor lasers have become standard parts of the field's surveyors' equipment. A false laser pulse is sent on to a corner reflector at the point of to be measured, and the time of reflection is measured to get the distance. A fast laser pulse is sent to a corner reflector at the point to be measured, and the time of reflection is measured to get the distance. Next, laser spectroscopy. Laser spectroscopy has led to advances in the precision with which spectral line frequencies can be measured and this has fundamental significance for our understanding of basic atomic processes. So using laser spectroscopy, we can know about how an atom, how inside the atom the processes are being done, and what the processes are going on in an atom. We can know it in using laser spectroscopy. So lasers have many applications. By this, we can know that. So it is used in knowing about the atomic processes. Thank you. In short, we will again discuss what we have discussed in this video. In this video, we have discussed about various applications of laser, applications of laser in medical field and in communications. Thousands of TV programs are being run because of these functionings of laser. And in industry, they are used for pointing and measuring and many other things. In supermarkets also, they are used for barcodes, to scan the barcodes. In military also, they are used, lasers can be death ray or war weapons. They have many aspects in it. You can see it. And in chemistry, to accelerate chemical reactions, to produce certain chemical reactions, lasers are used. And in surveying and ranging, lasers are used to measure the field, And in laser spectroscopy, it is used to know about many basic atomic processes. So it has many advantages. This is about my presentation. Thank you.